Prince Harry stumbles on son's birth date in Tense Court Exchange. Prince Harry, the Duke of Sussex, found himself in an uncomfortable spotlight recently when a judge pressed him on the birth date of his son Archie during a court proceeding. The exchange has sparked renewed questions about the transparency surrounding the British royal family. The incident occurred during a hearing related to a libel lawsuit Harry has filed against Associated Newspapers Limited, the publisher of the Daily Mail. Harry is suing over an article that claimed he had turned his back on the Royal Marines, a military unit he had once proudly served. Join us as we delve into this interesting saga. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell for updates. As the hearing progressed, the judge presiding over the case, Mr. Justice Nicklin, posed a seemingly innocuous question to Harry. "When was your son Archie born?" Rather than providing a confident, direct response, Harry hesitated. "I'm sorry, you're asking me about Archie's date of birth?" the Duke replied, appearing momentarily flustered. After a pause, Harry continued, I'm not sure. I would have to check my notes." The judge pressed further, asking, "You don't know when your own son was born?" Again, Harry faltered, stumbling over his words. I'm not sure. I'd have to check that. I don't have the date memorized," he said. The exchange, which was captured on the court's live stream, quickly went viral, with many observers expressing surprise and even concern over Harry's apparent inability to recall such a basic detail about his own child. Royal commentators and the public alike began to speculate about the reasons behind Harry's uncertain response. Some suggested it might be a simple case of forgetfulness or nerves in the high-pressure setting of a court hearing. Others, however, saw it as a troubling sign of a larger pattern of opaqueness and lack of transparency surrounding the private lives of the royal family. The birth of Archie Mountbatten-Windsor, Harry and his wife Meghan's first child, was a heavily publicized event when it occurred on May 6, 2019. The couple had chosen to keep many of the details private, including the location of the birth, sparking criticism from some quarters. This latest incident has reignited questions about the extent to which the public is entitled to know about the personal lives of the royals, particularly when it comes to major life events like births, marriages, and deaths. Royal historian and commentator Penny Junor noted that while the public may understandably be curious about the royals, there is a balance to be struck between privacy and transparency. The royals are public figures, but they are also human beings with a right to a private family life, Junor said. However, when it comes to the line of succession and the future of the monarchy, I think the public does have a legitimate interest in certain details. Others have argued that the royal family's reluctance to share information openly has only fueled speculation and conspiracy theories, undermining public trust. If the royal family were more forthcoming with information, it would go a long way towards dispelling rumors and maintaining the public's confidence, said royal commentator Richard Fitzwilliams. The Archie birth date incident is just the latest in a series of events that have raised questions about the royal family's commitment to transparency. In 2021, for example, there was widespread criticism when the family refused to disclose the vaccination status of Queen Elizabeth II and other senior royals during the COVID-19 pandemic. For his part, Prince Harry has been vocal about his desire for more openness, particularly when it comes to mental health issues. In his recent memoir, Spare, he detailed his struggles with anxiety and depression, breaking a long-standing royal tradition of maintaining a stoic public persona. However, the latest court exchange suggests that Harry and the rest of the royal family still have work to do when it comes to striking the right balance between privacy and public accountability. As the libel case against the Daily Mail continues, all eyes will be on Harry and the royal family, with many hoping that this incident will prompt a renewed commitment to transparency and openness. In the meantime, the public remains eager to know, when was Archie Mountbatten-Windsor born?